Alright, welcome everyone to the final lesson 13 that we got here. And now we are going to look at what's next, right? So when you complete your game and you use all these things that we have logged here, perhaps also other stuff, right? Then you'll typically want to publish your game. Or not, but you know, that's up to you. So actually, if you want to upload your game to Steam, Godot has this Steam extension. Yeah, Godot Steam is the name. So you can use these to basically get the Steam API to work with Godot games. And there's also good documentation available. If we view the files here, oh yeah, here we go. Yep, the documentation is available here, and you can just check all these classes, right? And all the tutorials. They're actually quite verbose as well. And also there's the default documentation on Valve's page. It's I don't know, if I type in Steam documentation, it's gonna probably show it if I type like achievements. Oh yeah, here it is. I think it's the Steamworks page, yeah. Yeah, but this shows things in C++, but maybe some general explanations are better than on this third-party page, right? So you can configure all of these. You have stats and achievements as well. And here they just walk you through connecting the proper signals and everything really that you may need. And then here you can work with the data, right? There's just a bunch you can do. Basically, you can just do whatever you want to with the data you retrieve from Steam. And then you'll see when you set up your Steam page, you'll also see a lot of related things. And like, of course, to handle an achievement, you have to create it inside Steam as well, or on the Steamworks page of your game, right? And same for particular stats. And that's how you can kind of use the player data as well. You can also set up leaderboards. And just same thing, you just rely on Steam to do the heavy lifting, and you can do the actual logic and just hooking up the code. And you may also want to upload your game to itch.io. So this is a platform for indies, right? This is a place for indie games. You can also sell your game here, but I wouldn't say that it's that common. And also when you upload to Steam, you have to pay $100 to be able to upload the game. But they say that if you make the money back, they will basically just return that fee for you. Or I think if you make $1,000, yeah, then they give you back the $100 that you've already paid them. So overall, if your game just makes it fairly successful, right, then you don't have any upload costs, basically. But yeah, itch is also a pretty good page to get some exposure. Like, there will always be some people checking your game out here, and it's just kind of easier to upload here when it comes to comparing the methods between like uploading to itch and Steam, because of course Steam is much more complicated, but you know, it's like it like depends on your goals and what you want to do with your game. For collaboration, you've actually seen us use GitHub so many times. You've seen us open plugin repos and everything. So you can also create your own repository, and that can be used to actually collaborate with people. And there's also this application called GitHub Desktop, because some people fear that oh, they have to use CLI to work with GitHub, but that's actually not true. So if you download this, you can see some little tips here, but basically you have to you can also create your repository in the desktop app. So if I open it and I say create your repository, I just assign the things and like set up the folder path, right? Or we can also build the repo online, I think. Oh yeah, create new repository. Yeah, and then we can then clone it from github.com. And after that, you'll be seeing something similar to this. Basically, we have the full origin button. So now if I put it on one of my projects, you're gonna see it kind of downloaded the stuff, and I can also fetch the origin. And if I have any changes, then I'll just need to press this commit to main button, and also push my changes with the button that will transform into a one for pushes here. And there are also multiple branches you can work with. The main branch is the default, and if you want to know more about the branches, you can read them up. In my personal opinion, they are mostly useful for bigger projects, and it's a particular purpose in branches when it's like only you and like some people working together, because it will just make things more complicated and bigger, right? And there's also this cool page or cool website called Trello that you can use to collaborate with people. And here you can see if I create a new board, I call it course. Then this is just a task management site, basically. So you can create these task boards and then multiple lists, right? And just add little cards, these little tasks, and you can specify these, whatever. And it's completely free to use as well. So this is pretty good. But also, you know, if you want to keep it simple, you could also use a Google document and have it online or something with your peers. And I think that's it for this last final session. So I want to thank you guys for joining me on this journey, and congratulations for actually finishing this. Congratulations to both you and I, actually, because yeah, this still took the kind of commitment to following this course all along, and this is a great achievement for staying committed, right? Because that is also part of this entire journey. And hopefully we will meet in other courses. And I also hold kind of one-on-one sessions. So like, you know, I do private tutoring, if that sounds interesting to any of you. but I'm also looking forward to adding more courses in the future. So thank you so much again for joining me, and I hope you have a good one. Goodbye.